Hi, I'm frequently asked about good ways to help support the channel, and I recently came across this promotion for Google Fi that I think could benefit both you and me. They're currently running a promotion where when you sign up with my referral code, you'll get $60 of credit added to your bill after your first month of service has been paid. A pretty great deal if you're not currently tied down to a carrier. And to top it off, I actually get a $60 credit to my bill as well. And honestly, that can go a long way in times like this when many of us are living paycheck to paycheck. I recently switched to using Google Fi as my wireless carrier when they had a tempting deal on the Pixel 9 series, which they still seem to be having right now. Although I suspect this will transition to a discount on the Pixel 10 series once it has been launched. And they've got some pretty nice promotions on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 phones. There's some deals on some mid-range devices like this Moto Razr if you're still wanting a foldable phone, and the Moto G Stylus, the 2025 version. I traded in my Pixel 8 when I upgraded to the Pixel 9 Pro XL here, as the value was pretty reasonable, and the process went through very smoothly. So be sure to look into that offer as well. So, for anyone who is interested in this promotion, I'll be including the link with this referral code down in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment so that it's easy for everyone to find. But really, I'm thankful to be able to create the videos that I have here on the channel for a living. So even if you aren't able to support the channel in financial ways, I appreciate you spending your time with me. And I hope you'll continue to watch the content that I create here.